welcome back to Calcium Motor Company. Today's video walk around is of the 2020 Ford Transit Custom. It's the trend model L1H1, lovely spec, full history, one owner. Let's take a look inside. What a lovely example of a mobile workshop van this is. It's got a lovely racking system in the back. You've got your sat nav, aircon, cruise. It's got loads and loads of toys in it. Floor mat inside. As I say, one owner, full history, finance, delivery and warranty available on this van. Thank you for watching. Cheers.